CBT Becchia. Mag-isa lang tayo sa bus, no? Wala nakasakay. Bili tayo ng razor. Nagpapabili ng razor sa Boxy, ano? Sherwin, yung kakabinan natin, man. Yan, punta tayo sa city, man. Gala lang tayo konti, tapos balik kagad, natutulog pa tayo. Yun lang, danduan, yeah, let's go. Basta tayo, man. Doon tayo galing, man. Nakalabas na tayo ng dito. Sigad ng CBT Becchia. CBT Becchia, man. Let's go. Lakad muna tayo sa... Bibili lang tayong lip balm, man. Lamig kasi, nagkakabasag-basag yung ating nguso. Wala tayong kakisin-sin. Yeah! Yun lang, man. Let's go. Tingnan natin dito kung saan. Dito pa tayo nagpunta, man. CBT Becchia pa tayo bibili. Gawin mo. Lupit din. Mag-isa lang tayo. Wala tayong kasama ngayon. Alright. Mag-isa lang, man. Okay lang. Walk trip. Tingin-tingin, di ba? Let's go. Ano? Tawid tayo sa tamang tawiran. Nasaan ba yung tawiran? Yun, nandun. Let's go. Tayo doon, man. This is nice, no?
Yeah.
Ano siya dito, ano? Tawag dito. Mga rep magnets. Alright, guys. We end up here. Looking for a lip balm and hair clipper, man. Dito. Sa labas lang to ng CBT Becchia. Tingin tayo dito. Ngayon, nakakita tayo ng ito mga shop to. Okay din to mga to. So, kunin na natin yung kailangan talaga natin, men. Nakita ko na rito. Pumasok na ako dito kanina. Ito lang kunin natin. Siguro dalawa na kasi minsan nalalaglag ko eh. Pwede tayo labas ng labas. Saka ito, nakakita tayo dito ng hair clipper, man. Hair clipper. Meron din sila dito ng kompleto mga ano. Nail cutter. Meron mga nail cutter. Ito hair clipper. Mga tinda nila. Mga souvenirs. Yan. Mga damit. Yan din mga ano pala to. Noodles. Kompleto rin sila dito. Mga bagahe kung gusto nyo. Ito mga souvenir. Ito ang ganda rin na ito. Kaya lang pang mga ano to office. Ang pato sa mga papers. Hindi tayo magagala-gala pagkabili natin na ito. Kunin na rin natin to. Magkano ba to? 25. Pero pares lang ng quality. Kaya ito kukunin natin. Nalaglag pa isa. Baka singilin tayo. Kunin natin. Ito 20. Tatanong tayo ng diskwento kung meron. Ito mga ano. Upo sa sigarilyo. Ito souvenir lang. Kasya ba sa ulo mo to? Hindi naman siguro. Ano, maganda. Meron mga souvenir shop pa ron. Maangas, kaya lang. Ito yung Roma Coliseo. This one. We take this one. Mura lang kukunin natin. Can you take this? And this. How much the rosary is? This.
It's €1.
€1 each. Kuha tayo nito. 1. Dito. 2. 3 lang siguro muna. Ito. Okay, card. We take this kitchen. This one is nice but we can put it on the luggage maybe it get broken. Okay, let's go. Bayaran natin. We have to pay this one, man. Only this one. I have to pay this person. Only have little budget for me.
This have.
Don't-
And this have. This. Your
time
backside your phone.
Yeah, I know. And I have to look also to my
No,
friends there.
this you need. You need this 45.
Mm.
35 possible. 35.
Bumili tayo nito, tsaka ito, tsaka ito.
This 20. This 25. 25. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 70 total. You writing 45, but this new coming, this all I.
The old one, you have the other one exactly for 50 euro for me, 35. Give me for
But
50.
this no.
But this is not it's still also same.
But this 15 possible. 15.
What's this?
This one too.
Pinibentahan tayo. Tangin na to. Mas maganda yung isa sana eh. Ay ibigay eh.
Insert have, insert many have.
Next time, maybe next time for
No, but
60, give me 60. 60. Yeah, take no. 60 with this one.
65 give 65.
65?
But you many take, I think I give you. But good, you heavy. This take you heavy.
At how much? 60?
Huh?
60,
65.
This one, this guy is I buy to this guy. Buy to this guy, good discount and then good all
good
quality,
discount.
quality
And
here.
Coffee have this coffee.
Coffee
No
also.
problem,
Yeah,
coffee.
yeah, come here and then he will assist you here. Okay. Take was 16, huh?
No 65. Okay, 65. But this I already discount. There is 45.
Yeah.
But now 35.
Okay, okay.
Now more 5 euro discount. Now 30. But this good, eh? This good quality and this good.
Oh, good quality,
45, 45. The writing have now I discount only now 30.
30, huh? Hi. In this is his shop. You are the owner?
Yeah, I another one man, two men this partnership. One shop,
business
another
partner.
Another
Business
man,
partner.
one shop.
Yeah. You come here, can you invite them?
Yeah, yeah.
Invite them.
Yeah, must coming. This side all have this Lucky's and this other mee goreng, ding dong and this
Yeah.
all Philippine, Indonesia all food have.
Yeah, full hand.
Coconut have.
Yeah, come here, man. Yeah, this one.
Okay,
We have to buy-
thank you.
We have to
Bye.
we have to papers before buy. Wait.
And this one give us.
Uy, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You give me
Yeah.
one rosary
Like Chapi,
like this.
my friend.
Don't need. It's alright. Thank you very much for your all kindness. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Come here, man. Let's go. We go somewhere else. We go back on the ship. Let's go, man. Ito yung shop niya, man. Punta kayo dito. Malapit lang to sa port. Di na tayo lumayo kasi pag lumayo pa tayo, wala na tayo.
Big tree.
Yeah, this is the trademark mark. The tree here, and then you have to pass by here. His shop is over here. This guy. Okay. What's your name again, bro?
My name Mia. Dilwar Mia.
Gularmia. Just look for him here, and then he will give you a nice discount. Nice. Okay. See you guys.
Okay.
Down the one. Yeah. Balik na tayo, men. Ito lang yung pinamili natin doon sa mga local shop dito. Hindi man Italiano yung nagbibenta, pero okay naman siya kausap, man. Dito tayo, man. Let's go. Balik na tayo sa barko, man. Down the one. Ito na pinamili natin. Yun lang. Balik na tayo, man. Pahinga na. Let's go. Yeah. Pa dito, 1 euros. Bili na tayo. Pambigay. Nakita tayo dito ng apron, man. Angas, oh. Kala mo macho, oh. Kunin natin to, nabili natin na pala to. Mura lang to, 4 lang doon. Kinuha na natin. Tapos bumili pa tayo ng mga ibang remembrance natin nito. Bumili natin yun. Ayos naman. Sa ibang shop naman tayo bumili ito. Yung mga iba. Yung mga ibang ano. Ibang mga rep magnets. Angas din. Yan, oh. Alright, yun lang. Nabili natin sa labas. Dito tayo sa shop, man. Sa kabilang shop naman to, malapit na sa binilihan natin. Alright, down the one. Let's go.